here in my backyard, and we're hearing a little baby duck that's crying out for its mama. I came out to the backyard and saw that the mama's actually just right there, but somehow baby is on the other side of the fence from mama duck. So we're gonna go over there and try to help baby duck get over the fence to its mama right there. Come over there, little baby duck. Oh, can't quite make it. Okay, baby duck, let's go. Come here. Come here. Hey, it's okay, baby duck, come on. Whoop, whoop, come here. Come here, baby. Come here, baby. Oh, does not want to be picked up. There you go. Go to your mommy. Go to your mama. There you go. You're welcome. There goes a happy little duck family.